Monetize your Wix website and start earning today by seamlessly integrating Google AdSense. Ready to turn your passion into profit? This short, step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to add your Google AdSense code to your Wix website, opening the door to a whole new stream of revenue through targeted advertising. First, you'll need to have your Google AdSense account approved. Once you have your AdSense code, log into your Wix account and navigate to your website's dashboard. In the dashboard, find and click on the Marketing and Integrations option on the left-hand menu. Within Marketing and Integrations, look for Google AdSense or a similar advertising integration. You should see an option to connect or add AdSense. Click on the Connect or Add button. A dialog box or a new section will appear asking you to paste your AdSense code. This is where you'll carefully copy the entire AdSense code snippet that Google provided you. Go to your Google AdSense account, find the specific ad unit or the general site verification code, and copy it entirely. Avoid leaving out any characters. Now return to your Wix editor and paste the copied AdSense code into the designated field. Once pasted, look for a Save or Connect button within the Wix interface to confirm and apply the changes. Wix will then process this integration. You might see placeholder ad spaces appear on your website in preview mode. After validation by Google, your website will start displaying targeted ads, and you'll be on your way to earning revenue from your content. That's it. Your Wix website is now AdSense ready. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your online presence.